it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Hey guys, today we're here with Romain Virgo, Masicka. Romain Virgo featuring Masicka with a song called Been There Before. It is an audio track. I would love to see a music video for this one. So Romain and Masicka, make it happen, no dog. Make it happen, brother. On our two top tier artists, you know. Oh, wow, music video for them something here. You see me? Cause this collab was unexpected. I never see it forwarding. So we jump in the cover art first. Cover art had that one, yeah. So this, I would believe this is Romain Virgo. I don't know. This front of one shop or something when I go to school. Pants big like Chapalin. Those are the days, bro. I know the pain. I feel the pain. Cause I had a few of these pants, you know? Yeah, I had a few of these pants. So, like it, don't know. From them time I didn't know. So jump in the one here and hear where they cheat them. I say, let's go, dog. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_worst_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
To be somebody was my heart's desire. So me never stop saying no prior. No pain. Probably was the youth with the worst. To be somebody was my heart's desire. So me never stop saying no prior. No pain.
Yo, to be somebody. Boss a dream about when they know in a life from him younger, from them time there. Remember the first time we see him about what school talent something. I forgot what name, man. That's the first time we see him. Right? And like he was leading the choir out, like he was the star in the choir. So where you going to so? So Facility G, so now I do it. Big.
To be somebody was my heart's desire. So me never stop saying no prior. No pain. Probably was the youth with the worst attire. Back in our school I sing pan choir.
See it? Probably was the youth with the worst attire. Back in our school I sing pan choir. Pay off door. Yo, pay off door. No, you can put yourself together. You have one heap of clothes. You see me? Yeah, you have money in a bank. Yeah. That's it, bro. Star life.
Satire. Back in our school I sing pan choir. No pain.
I know pain.
From the day my life begun, and a little bit of tears run. Everybody have them own story. This one is for all who want give up and done.
Hold on. You can't play them song the one time. Especially when they can relate. Remember them tell me, say me now live for past 20. Yeah, one woman in my community. I go call her name, such woman still. But anybody from my area know who me attack when I say such woman. She tell me and my best friend say we not gonna live for nothing. No, her husband dead with you, she up on her deathbed, and her grandson a walk on a yam down the place. And he no cook, and he can't cook. Look at God. Yeah.
To be somebody was my heart's desire. So me never stop saying no prior. No pain. Probably was the youth with the worst attire. Back in our school I sing pan choir. I no pain. From the day my life began, and a little bit of tears run. Everybody have them own story. This one is for all who want give up and done. Yeah. I've been there before. Well, if I fight to fight, would I need 1,000 books to write? Yeah.
The amount of fight when him get what I tell you say, the amount of fight him fight. Even if you need 1,000 books for write, brother, cause a whole heap of fight right from all angles. Sometimes all your whole family member them a fight your dog. Like you see it evident in your eye, them a fight you.
Been there before. Well, if I fight to fight, would I need 1,000 books to write? Yeah. I've been there before. Everything I go alright. Remember the darkest part of the night is just before daylight.
Remember the darkest part of the night and just before daylight. So basically, when I tell you say, no matter how dark your surrounding is, no matter what you go through, just believe, keep fighting, and you will see the daylight. You will see the fucking daylight, yo. Just believe in yourself. Work towards your goals and your dreams. You see me? Persevere, believe. You see me?
Part of the night is just before daylight. Yeah. Some fight on, strongest turn me into a man. Tell me where time gone. Still I try calm, I category 5-star man.
Man, the struggle turn him into a man, brother. So basically, him I tell you say, with theme upbringing, him did have to become a man even before it was time to become a man. Remember, say you have enough youth out there in the streets when I have no mother or father. I do certain things for them all 12, 13, 14-year-old youth in a dog. So this Masicka tell the right answer, bro. Like, come on.
Before daylight, yeah. Some fight on, strongest turn me into a man. Tell me where time gone. Still I try calm, I category 5-star man. Earthquake and fire, but I fire keep my light on. Now no food in the plate, but we buy can. Come just no feel safe, where I ban.
Now no food on the plate, but we buy can, brother.
5-star man, earthquake and fire, but I fire keep my light on. Now no food in the plate, but we buy can. Come just no feel safe, where I ban. Me have the courage, now me heart mixed with the right song. Me learn to flourish, now the dark, me keep my mind strong.
Man say him have the courage in him heart mixed with the right psalm. So no matter what him I go through, him a tell us say yo, him a stay prayed up. Him believe. Him nah left him Bible scripture them no time because him believe in them, you know.
I'm a earthquake and fire, but I fire keep my light on. Now no food in the plate, but we buy can. Come just no feel safe, where I ban. Me have the courage, now me heart mixed with the right psalm. Me learn to flourish, now the dark, me keep my mind strong. Yes I can achieve anything with the right plan. Hard for moving like a mountain where I stand. A better life for my fam.
Hard to move me like a mountain. I have to move him like a mountain where I stand. Yo.
Plan. Hard for moving like a mountain where I stand. A better life for my fam.
Better life.
I've been there before.
Bad song, bad song.
Well, if I fight to fight, would I need 1,000 books to write? Yeah. I've been there before. Everything I go alright. Remember the darkest part of the night is just before daylight. If wars could attack and expose my thoughts, man, me no know me survive. Me billion.
If wars could attack and expose me thought, me know how me survive. But I tell you, say enough time him dead by himself. Just a mess out loud by himself and not reason with himself. You see me? Deep, that's on your deep, man.
It's just before daylight. If wars could attack and expose my thoughts, man, me no know how me survive. Me pillar know the weight of the burden me carrying every night on my mind. The only people me can turn to, I be the worst to. Life no always fun, but better must come. This one is for all who want give up and done.
Don't give up.
I've been there before. Well, if I fight to fight, would I need 1,000 books to write? Yeah.
Why? Me feel that one, yeah. Is that one a forward of him album or something? Remember Virgo album? Let me see. Let me try to read the description and see. Remember Virgo presents of his forthcoming album, The Gentleman. Okay, VP Records. Okay. All right. This is solid. Me like this. Romain, hats off to you, bro. You fight the fight, and I think you forward from country as well. So it not hard. Them time there, bossing from country. When I just try to touch it on the music business, bro. You did it, bro. So be proud of yourself and be proud of where you get yourself, bro. To all of the fight and all of the pain where you got through. Here you are today, bro. Giving us good music like this, relatable music like this. This is real music. Masicka, big up yourself as well, my fam. Don't know some think highly of you, bro. So have you and Romain on the same track is a bonus. And this collab, I never see it forwarding, but it there for stay, cause a bad song, a hit song. I just wish people would appreciate these type of songs more, dog. Especially relatable songs where you can relate to. It's not all about this scamming and the chopping and rary and blah blah. Them song your dog get people through darkest time more than what you think. You see me? So big up the artists them where I put themselves in a people's shoes where people are go through now, cause them been there and done it. Big up them artists there, you see me? Yeah, Romain, big up yourself. Sicka, big up yourself, Saka. Masicka, big up yourself. Yeah? Alright, this time I'm gonna leave the one. I still enjoy the one I want some more. Leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, yo, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.